In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a program and sell on Trainerize. We'll start by building a reusable program, then turn it into a product you can sell, all inside the web app. Begin by logging in on the web and heading to the left menu. Click Programs, then select New Program. When prompted for the type, choose Master Program. This makes your plan reusable, which is ideal for selling to multiple clients. Next, set the framework. Give your program a clear, benefit-driven name, optionally add a goal for context, choose calendar-based rather than workout-based so the schedule rolls out over time, and set the length in weeks. When that looks good, click Create Program. You'll land in the program builder with a weekly calendar. Add a week, then place your training days. A simple layout could be full body on Monday, HIIT on Tuesday, rest on Wednesday, upper on Thursday, and lower on Friday. To move faster, fully build week 1, then duplicate that week several times to match your program length. After duplicating, tweak progressions week by week so clients see clear, safe progression. For each training day, click the day, choose Add Workout, then Build New Workout. Pull exercises from the library and tailor the details, sets, reps, or time, RPE or intensity targets, rest intervals, and any structures like supersets, circuits, AMRAP, or EMOM. Save each workout as you go so it's stored and easy to reuse later. Consider adding habits and light nutrition tasks to boost results and perceived value. Add habits like daily steps, hydration, sleep tracking, or calorie tracking, then assign them to the appropriate days or weeks. Enhance the program experience with media and coaching notes. Upload an introduction video, a program overview PDF, a simple meal guide, any explainer videos, and weekly instructions in the files or attachments area of your program. Clear file names help clients find what they need quickly. When everything is in place, review your week's workouts, habits, notes, and media, then click Save and Close. Your program is now ready to sell. To sell it, you'll use Trainerize Payments, which integrates with Stripe. Open the Payments section, go to Products, and click New Product. Choose Program as the product type so you can attach the plan you just built. Fill out the product details, a compelling name, a persuasive description, your price as either one-time or recurring, and how the start date should work immediately on a fixed date for a challenge or chosen by the client. Scroll to Program Access, click Select Program, and attach your program. Set whether it replaces or stacks with anything existing, and whether it starts right after purchase. Save, toggle the product to Published or Visible to